Running into QuickBooks Error 1310? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through an exhaustive, step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix it for good. Method 1. Run the QuickBooks Install Diagnostic tool. 1. Download and install QuickBooks Tool Hub. 2. Open it and go to Installation Issues. 3. Click QuickBooks Install Diagnostic tool and let it run. 4. Close the Tool Hub and reboot your system. 5. Try installing or updating QuickBooks Desktop again. Method 2. Refresh your employee's payroll information. 1. Download program, install and uninstall Troubleshooter from Microsoft's official site. 2. Open File Explorer, Windows +E, and locate the downloaded file. 3. Double-click Microsoft Program _install and uninstall. Meta. 4. Click Next, right pointing arrow, choose Installing. 5. Select your QuickBooks Desktop edition. 6. Hit Next to begin troubleshooting. 7. Once done, restart your system and reinstall, update QuickBooks. Method 3. Remove older QuickBooks versions from your computer. 1. Press Windows +R to open the Run window. 2. Type appwiz.cpl and hit OK. 3. In the Programs and Features section, find older QuickBooks editions. 4. Right-click the older version and select Uninstall. 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete uninstallation. 6. Restart your system and install the latest QuickBooks Desktop edition. Method 4. Run System File Checker to resolve QuickBooks Error 1310. 1. Open the Start menu, type Command Prompt in the search box. 2. Right-click the command prompt icon and select Run as Administrator. 3. Type SFC Scan now and press Enter. 4. Wait for the System File Checker to repair system files. 5. Once done, restart your system. 6. Begin the QB Desktop installation on your computer. Method 5. Utilize a new Windows admin user account on the Sista. 1. Install the latest Windows updates on your computer. 2. Open Start menu, type Add User in the search box. 3. Click Settings, then Add a User. 4. Select Add a User without a Microsoft account. 5. Follow the steps to create a new Windows local user account. 6. Go to Other Users, select the new account, and click Change Account Type. 7. Set account type to Administrator and click OK. 8. Restart your system, log in to the new Windows admin account and install QuickBooks Desktop. Still facing the problem? Visit our full article for more detailed solution at www.a2autocare.com/article. Or call us at this number. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, hit like, share and subscribe.